You wanna go again, or are you good? You good with that? Can I catch him? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Full Send Throttles. My name is Van and today we're filming this 2006 Suzuki GSXR 1000. And if you are familiar with these bikes, you will know when these bikes came out in 2006, they were way ahead of its time. Let's have a closer look at the bike and meet the rider. Sean, welcome to the channel.
Thank you for having me here.
No problem, thank you. Thank you for taking time out of your day to come spend the time with me. So let's just start from the start. Obviously we know we've got a beautiful 2006 Suzuki GSXR 1000. But before we talk about the bike, let's speak about you and where the whole riding thing started for you. Was there any particular event that got you into biking, or is it in the family? Or
Okay, it started in the family. My father, my uncle, all into biking.
Oh, okay.
So that led me also in their footsteps to fall into the biking facility.
Okay,
and
so you just
my biking, my passion is biking.
And you were born and bred into it. Even if you wanted to say no, it wasn't gonna happen.
They say once the bug bite, it's always
you
there.
know, yeah. And how many years have you been riding now?
Since the age of 4 I started on a Suzuki 50cc and then upgraded to a 90cc Yamaha. That was semi-manual, the 50cc was automatic.
Oh, lekker. So you worked your way up through the ranks, huh?
And then when I started high school, my daddy had a Genesis 1000 and I started practicing in the yard.
Oh, lekker spoiled, no? So that's grade 8 obviously at the start of that.
Then I got my first bike grade 10, which was a Thunder Cat. Wasn't too happy with the bike. Then my father bought me a Suzuki, a baby Peking. And because I always loved the Suzuki. And after that, got this little baby here.
Little baby.
Which it was actually my father's bike actually.
Oh, okay.
And then I told him his bike doesn't suit him. And he said okay, because he's
getting old now.
He's getting old, so he said I can take it. And then that's how I got onto this Suzuki.
Nice. And how old are you now, if you don't mind?
I'm now 22, turning 23.
Okay, so that's about 18 years of riding.
18 years, yeah.
Wow. Okay, so let's get onto this bike. There's so much detail going on here. Engine work, is there anything done to the engine?
Okay, the bike is stock standard.
Any tuning? No tunes?
No tuning.
No tunes. Okay, so you've got an exhaust on. I saw there's a SC shorty pipe.
Yes.
And are you finding that pipe? Is it as loud enough?
It's loud. It wakes the neighbors up.
Okay, perfect. And all these stickers, did you buy the bike with this on?
Bought the bike with the stickers on, but the Suzuki stickers that I had put on, and had the bike drop.
I see it lowered quite a bit. Is that more than 40 miles, or?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure, you just said plant it in.
And I changed shorty levers, had the seat done, and that's all.
That's about it. Not too bad. She looks absolutely amazing. And with regards to your riding style, Would you consider yourself a passive and aggressive rider? Passive aggressive or
Passive, now and then I have my burst. Then
yeah, but obviously all within you know,
in the speed limits, just
within the speed
when the road is
limits,
safe
and no, that's good. That's good. And I see that carbon fiber hugger that caught my eye from the start. Did you purchase it like that?
No, this one wasn't on. I actually swapped this for the standard one, and then
Okay.
had that fitted.
Okay, it looks absolutely amazing.
Thank you, man.
So, would you say we touched on everything?
Yes.
That about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Before I forget, dream bikes. Do you have any dream bikes? Like, I know the 2006 GSXR 1000 is an absolutely amazing bike, but is there something that you would look? You're only 22 now, so you still got a lot of years of biking ahead of you. Is there something that you are interested in, or you have?
I would like one day to own a ZX14 maybe, or S1000.
Or S1000.
Those are the two bikes
That is what you would once
maybe
you have that.
the new
You,
Suzukis.
the L7.
Yes, one of those.
Okay. Cool. So let's do a sound check and then let's go ride, man. Send it. Hey, you see that bird? I wonder how the cornering is on this bike, that that lowered so much. Probably not very good. how sexy this bike is. Look at that little shorty exhaust. Yeah, is it coming up in the mirror? guys, so it is that time, the 0 to 100 draggy. Now, I don't think Sean's ever launched this bike. Sean, have you ever launched this bike?
Not really.
No. So this is going to be interesting. First attempt. Right, let's see what that time is. Let's see, how did that feel? 4.45 verified. Are you happy with that? 4.45. You wanna go again, or are you good? You good with that? Okay, he's good with that, guys. Right guys, so we're gonna cut the video here. 4.45. Jean, thank you so much. Thank you for that time spent today. It was good, man. It was good. The sun is coming out now. It's getting super hot now. When we left this morning, it was cold. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not following social media yet, Full Send Throttles, Facebook, Instagram, that's where you'll find all the behind the scenes, the teaser videos, and also you can DM me over there if you would like to be on the channel. Until next time guys, ride safe. Cheers.